So what's the easiest way to edge glue these guys without clamps? I'll show you. So I have jointed those two edges. They're going to go together. So I'm just going to put a spacer in here on either side. So that's in a bit of a V. Line up the edges. Start in the middle. Push it down. Now the boards are slanted so that it's creating tension. And when you stretch the tape, it creates enough tension so that you get a good glue joint. Now that thing just stands up there by itself. When I push down, it holds that joint tight together. So we're going to flip it over. Now when I flip it over, I will make sure that these surfaces are aligned on each end, and when they're aligned, I push it together like that. And that's flush, and that's it. And I put a weight on here, and a weight on here, and it's done. Now I'm going to slide this because glue is going squeezed out underneath. So I'm going to slide this down. And there you can see the glue. A little water. Slide it back over. And that's it. It's just going to sit there for 20-30 minutes. Tape off. And that's what it looks like. That's going to be the next guitar top right there. I'll just clean this up on both sides. And then it'll look like this. You can see how it's going to be.